Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Dishwasher Silicone Reusable Storage Bag. This innovative storage solution is perfect for food meal prep, lunch, travel, makeup, gym bag, and more. With its leak-proof, freezer oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe, it's 1/2 gallon size and it's available in Aqua color. If you're interested, go ahead and take advantage of our special offer by clicking the link in the description to purchase the featured product at a discounted price. It's a versatile and durable alternative to plastic bags. In this video, I will be showing you the many ways you can use it and how it can help you reduce waste and protect the environment. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. In the video, I would start by introducing the Dishwasher Silicone Reusable Storage Bag, highlighting its main features such as its leak-proof, freezer oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe, its size of 1/2 gallon, and its color, in this case, is Aqua. I would then demonstrate how versatile the bag is by showing examples of how it can be used for food meal prep. For example, I could show how it can be used to store pre-cut fruits and vegetables for easy snacking or to marinate meat for grilling. I would also show how it can be used for lunch by using it to store sandwiches or leftovers, and how it can be used for travel by using it to store liquids for security checks or to store a damp swimsuit. I would also show how it can be used for makeup, gym bag, and more. For example, I could use it to store makeup brushes and cosmetics, or to store a still warm hair straightener. I would also demonstrate how easy it is to clean by showing how it can be washed by hand or in the dishwasher, and how it can be used to store low-waste items like reusable straws and utensils for a portable meal. I would also mention Dishwasher's mission to create a waste-free world through education, action, and advocacy, and how they pledge 1% of all sales each year to nonprofits protecting the planet. I would then move on to the Pinch-Loc seal and write on surface features and explain how they help to protect dry items and make it easy to identify what's inside the bag. I would demonstrate how to open and close the seal and show how to write on the surface with a permanent marker. I would also mention the benefits of using a silicone storage bag over plastic bags, such as being more durable and long-lasting, and how it can help to reduce waste and protect the environment. In the end, I would wrap up the video by summarizing the key features of the product and encouraging viewers to buy the product now on Amazon at a special discounted price by using the link provided in the description, and also invite them to join the waste-free lifestyle with Dishwasher. I would also provide additional tips on how to take care of the bag and how to properly clean and store it to ensure its longevity. I would end the video by thanking the viewers for watching and invite them to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and sustainable living tips. I would also mention that the product is available in different colors and sizes, and invite them to check out the other options on Amazon. If you're interested, go ahead and take advantage of our special offer by clicking the link in the description to purchase the featured product at a discounted price. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful in learning more about the Dishwasher Silicone Reusable Storage Bag. With its powerful Pinch-Loc seal and write-on surface, it's perfect for food meal prep, lunch, travel, makeup, gym bag, and more. And with its leak-proof, freezer oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe, it's 1/2 gallon size and it's available in Aqua color. It's a versatile and durable alternative to plastic bags. Remember, Dishwasher is committed to protecting the planet by pledging 1% of all sales each year to nonprofits. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and sustainable living tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.